Welcome to my channel Like a Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding PhD admission in Netaji Subhas University of Technology. Here you can see this is the information browser for admission to PhD program odd semester 2022-23, Government of NCT of Delhi. Netaji Subhas University of Technology, formerly known as Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology. It is in Dwarka, New Delhi. In this session, I am going to cover you all the important dates regarding when the interview will be taken, when the written test will be conducted, when your shortlisting list will be published. All these things I will cover you. Then how much the vacancies are there in all the departments. Then what are the eligibility criteria? What are the categories for admission? Selection procedure, financial assistance, fee structure, then procedure for online application, refund of fee, like that I will cover all these things. So first I am going to discuss you what are the important dates. This is the important dates of PhD admission. Online application already started, latest till 11th of May 2022. Submission of NOC by the candidate who seek exemption from written test in the prescribed format available in the academic section. It is till you have to do 18th of May 2022. Then a screening will be done latest by 20 of May. Then list of non-eligible candidates will be displayed on the website by concerned department. Then issue of admit card by CUMS. All candidates except those who have been exempted from written test shall be issued an admit card. It is will be done on 3rd of June 2022. Then PhD written test. First one, paper 1 RM for all departments at 9th research methodology. I think that is it is will be on 9th of June 2022 from 9:30. Then paper 2 subject specific, tentative dates all departments except ECE, ICE and EE at 11:30. For ECE and ICE only at 2 p.m. for EE only at 4 p.m. Actual date or time shall be displayed on admit card. Display of list of PhD candidates who cleared written test. It will be published on 15th of June 2022. Then verification of original document with respect to eligibility criteria and qualifying degree before interview by the concerned department on the date of interview. Then PhD interview schedule shall be displayed on admit card also. It will be from 22 to 25 of June 2022. Then selected candidate list will be declared on 29th June. Then issue of offer letter from academic section after fee submission will be from 30 June 2022 to 4th of July 2022. Last date for submission, fee submission and admission 8th of July 2022. Then last date for joining department. Candidate will have to report to office of Dean Academics will be on 8th of July 2022. Then meeting of RSC for newly selected candidate and allotment of thesis supervisor latest by 20 July. Then registration for PhD coursework it will be on 29 July. Then classes will begin for odd semester 2022 from 1st of August 2022. Last date for registration for PhD coursework for odd semester late fee shall be applicable latest by 5th of August 2022 by concerned departments. Next, there are various campuses of NSUT. First one NSUT East Campus, then NSUT West Campus. There are two campuses, first one East and second one West. In both there are different vacancies. About the research programs, such vacancy and awards. At NSUT, most of the departments, center schools across the 3 campuses offer MTech and PhD program or postgraduate programs are highly flexible, which offer students a variety of courses and research topics to choose from. There are 3 campuses, but here it is one Netaji Subhas University of Technology, then East Campus and West Campus. One is main. Okay. Then this is the maximum total seats with university fellowship, TRF and URF. It will be total 127. Then without university fellowship 99. Department wise seat distribution: maximum seat with university fellowship, ECE main campus 20, ECE East Campus total 17, CSE main campus 7, then CSE East Campus 2, IT main campus 6, ME main campus 7, ME West Campus 1, ICE total 27, EE 5, BSc 4, Civil West Campus 16, Design main campus 1, Maths main and East Campus 1, Physics main and East Campus 5, Chemistry main campus 5, Unity and Social Science there is no vacancy, Management Studies 3. Then without fellowship, EC main campus total 17 seats, East Campus 6 seats, CSE main campus 1, East Campus nil vacancy, IT main campus 6, then ME main campus 1, ME West Campus nil, ICE total 34, EEE 7, BSc 4, Civil West Campus 12, then Maths main and East Campus nil, Physics 4, Chemistry 5, Unity and Social Science nil, Management total 2 vacancies. Now university reserves the right to change the number of seats. Refer to research profile of department for maximum possible seats allocated to various departments. Also, if government communication is received at any time before admission, the same will be applicable during admission. Award category and selection criteria. Outstanding award for research paper. Following are the 3 category for research award. First one, outstanding research award. A cash prize of 5 lakh is awarded along with certificate of merit. Selection criteria: the paper must be published in the following journals: Nature, Science, Award Business Review. Then B, Premier Research Award. It is of 1 lakh, is awarded with certificate of merit. Selection criteria: paper must be below listed societies or journal, paper of impact factor at least 1 and indexed at SCI, SCIE, SSCI, American Mathematical Society, American Physical Society, American Society for Civil Engineer, then American Society for Mechanical Engineer, American Society of Testing Material. So if your paper will be published in these journals, then you will be get Premier Research Awards, a cash prize of 1 lakh. Then Commendable Research Award 50,000 is awarded along with certificate of merit. Selection criteria: the paper must be a journal other than listed in category and be above, paper of impact factor of at least 2 and indexed as SCI, SCIE, SSCI. So these all things are apart from PhD admission. Regulation for distribution of award prize, there is not required. PhD admission criteria, yeah, this is important. Eligibility criteria: if you have a master's degree in engineering, technology, science, management, unity or social science in respective discipline, or equivalent with minimum 60% marks or equivalent cumulative grade point average, and bachelor degree with 60% marks shall be eligible to apply for admission to PhD program of the university. However, the candidate applying for teaching cum research fellowship or university research fellowship shall be required to have master degree in relevant discipline with 70% marks or equivalent CGPA and be a bachelor 60% marks. In case equivalency between percentage of marks and CGPA is not defined by the university from which the candidate has obtained the qualifying degree, then UGC or AICTE equivalence criteria shall be applicable. Category of admission: first one, TRF, University Teaching cum Research Fellowship or University Research Fellowship. Research scholar with fellowship from the sponsoring agency like UGC, DST, CSIR, DBT or ICMR, etc. Research fellow without any fellowship, self-financing mode. Reservation relaxation will be done as per government rule. Selection procedure: the research scholar shall be admitted in two-stage process through entrance test and interview. Only those candidates shall be called for interview who have secured minimum qualifying marks of 50% in the entrance test. Candidates eligible for interview are required to make a PowerPoint presentation of approximately 10 minutes in the area of research their research interest. The interview committee shall judge the following: that candidate possesses aptitude and competency to carry out the research in intended criteria, that the proposed research ideas can be suitably undertaken in the department, Proposed research may contribute to the creation of new or additional knowledge in the chosen area. However, in the case of TRF, the committee shall also judge the teaching ability of the candidate in addition to the parameter as prescribed in 1, 2, 3 above. Candidate eligible for interview in this category are also required to make a PowerPoint presentation of approximately 10 minutes on topic of teaching interest. Interview for teaching cum research fellowship and all other candidates shall be organized separately. Then syllabus for entrance state shall consist of 50% question on research aptitude methodology, which may include quantitative method or computer application, experimental technique, and 50% subject specific. Refer to information about concerned department as given below for syllabus of written test. It will be given bottom. No relaxation with respect to eligibility condition as laid down in the clause 5.1 will be provided to the candidate who have qualified UGC NET, including JRF, UGC. Means same eligibility condition will be applicable to for them also who have UGC NET, CSIR NET also. Then these all things not important. Foreign national not important that much. Financial assistance, yeah. The university offers a total of 150 teaching cum research fellowship and 1 university research fellowship for duration of 3 years. Monthly teaching cum research fellowship amount is 45,000 consolidated. The monthly university research fellowship amount is of 32,500. Further, the fellowship of URF may be enhanced to 36 per month after 2 years, subject to fulfillment of condition laid down by Research Council. Initially, the fellowship may be released after satisfactory completion of coursework in the first semester on 6 monthly basis, but after confirmation of registration, it shall be paid on monthly basis or as notified by university from time to time. Research scholars may be provided with teaching cum research fellowship or university research fellowship of an amount decided by university from time to time. The award of fellowship shall be reviewed every semester based on the performance report provided by RSC. Here they have given all the TRF of university have to undertake theory and or practical class or tutorial to an extent of 6 to 8 hours per week, and will also assign other duties like internship, checking of assignment, invigilation duty, etc. from time to time. This is the fee structure. First year 28,800, second year 24,600, and third year and onwards 24,600. Procedure for online application. Separate application forms should be filled for PhD program for each department. Filling false information will lead to rejection of application. Means you have to, if you are applying for 2 departments, then you have to fill separately, and you have to fill carefully, otherwise it will reject your otherwise they will reject your application. Application of candidate whose results of qualifying examination BTech, MTech as applicable is likely to be declared on or before last date given in this information browser will also be accepted. Refund of fee. Processing application fee is non-refundable. Amount of fees or other charge deposited by the student may not be refunded if the candidate do not join the program or leave the university and intimate the same after last date of registration. Fee refund shall be done as per the university policy. These all are the documents you require during before interview. 10 certificate, 12 certificate, BTech UG mark sheet and degree certificate, MTech UG mark sheet and degree certificate, migration from last attended university, category certificate if applicable. That all. These all things are not relevant. Degree offering faculty departments. These all up to these things all are important, but which I have discussed. Now they have other things, areas, then profile, what are the search areas in this university, what are the faculty profile, all these things they have mentioned in this information brochure. That's why it is of total 395 pages. Here you can see all the faculty profile will be mentioned there. You can see that. So that's all about today's update. Share the channel with your friends, subscribe also if you are waiting my channel first time. Thank you, have a nice day.